Use tools to open the packaging. The machine is well preserved inside the box. The machine and all accessories are as shown in the video. To install the deflector, first attach it to the exhaust port and secure it with screws. Then, use tools to tighten the screws. Pull the fixing pin upward to rotate the machine 360 degrees. The machine can be fixed after placing it into the slot. To install the vibration rod, note its connector is a rotatable part. During installation, first pull out the fixing pin, then partially insert the rod's connector into the machine. Then, slowly pull the recoil starter while pushing the vibration rod inward until it is fully installed. Unscrew the oil dipstick to add engine oil. Engine oil selection: 5W30 in winter, 10W40 in summer. Unscrew the fuel tank cap to add diesel. Turn the fuel valve to the on position. Move the throttle to the start position. Press the decompression valve down. Slowly pull the recoil starter multiple times to allow sufficient diesel to enter the engine. Then, press the decompression valve again. First, gently pull the starter rope to its end point, then pull it with full force. These two steps prevent kickback caused by a sudden full pull. The vibration, intensity, and effect of the concrete vibration pump are as shown in the video. The concrete vibration pump eliminates air bubbles and voids in the concrete through vibration, ensuring its compactness. It significantly improves the strength and durability of the concrete. Turn the throttle to the stop position to shut down the machine. Turn the fuel valve to the off position.